shot, real man.
Show behind.
Son, if you go there, no balata. Balata.
Stand up side I show. Stand up side I show, man. Shan, stand up side I show. Stand up side I show.
We have a play too.
Shan, a tip, you know. Shan, stand flat. I'm in a tip.
Look like.
But wait, healing foods, Societa people, food time now, you know, over near my call. I wonder if this can heal my pain right now. Cause me not feel too good, you know. Go try it out.
Another shot. Okay,
Cauliflower
so
wings.
this is what you call healthy eating. 100%. Alright? Now, people, this is cauliflower wings. First time I hear about it. Cauliflower wings. So now I try this. I try everything right here. So Nicey just introduced us to this place. And we are here in Healing Foods Cafe in Old Harbour. And over here so is the stew peas. They're meat free. And you know some would have vexed if not spinners in it.
Me tell her, she know
It can meat free but spinners off it in it, right? And the cauliflower wings, and this is your veg. And here now people, this is not rice, this is quinoa, right? And this is curry ital stew.
Curry coconuts.
Curry coconut ital stew. Alright? So, stages. I'm start with the quinoa first, right? Because quinoa is an acquired taste in the people. Not everybody can look after quinoa. I'm make it edible. I remember saying your food.
You know, we are watching her.
Sorry. Alright. So, then move on to the veggies. I don't mind food people. But crunchy and it goes on smooth. We go on the
Curry coconuts too. So just remember, say.
a 1-1.
Alright. We are count. Shan. Station the near, you know.
I try the cauliflower wings now, people. This is not chicken. Nice to check your food.
Not to say it twice.
I don't live at all hour, but I try to come down here every day. And this work.
Shan, you want to taste it? Me now make you hold it fast, you know.
Try.
Video.
Try. Everything I work.
Everything
Everything I work. Everything I work.
I could put sir, I do this stomach now. I come and screech out like
Everything I work.
Fold your hand. Don't let out your hand. Fold your hand. Taste the cauliflower.
No, she don't want to. She don't want to.
Hold on.
She don't want to. Yeah.
That's why I'm saying stay by door because I don't want to put on my hands and play
She
gun.
want to try something.
One smaller piece.
No.
Come on, it can't broke.
And as she get the biggest piece. That's her video. As she get the biggest
But I'm
piece.
too tired, Dave.
No, I just because I was.
You never saw any wacky it 2 times.
Okay. Wait, let me just make it. You say I make this everything.
No, I never tell you everything. That is me make you sir taste everything. You taste everything. Sparta taste everything.
No.
Whenever I want.
Please,
Yeah.
please give me a serving of that here. Just, yeah, give me a serving.
Alright, so serving it a serving.
So if we can try on the way,
servings, yeah.
we can try on the
So
way.
just me take the curry.
No, come. You see it? You see it? But you're outside. No? The only thing I like is cauliflower.
But
Yes.
That's why I force it when I got
That one
I
I'm
love
going for
cauliflower.
here, for sure.
Beg your serving, please.
Cauliflower.
But no, that's why I force it. And what are your cards?
That's not cauliflower.
Nice it.
What you cauliflower?
Alright. All of you try going. So spot to them when I feel like saying.
No, don't worry about it, man.
Yeah.
We're good.
You have to try half five.
What do you mean?
But
Eh?
it worked.
You have to try out five.
No, man, so we're good. We say we're good.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is this?
Let me see.
Pizza. Vegan pizza.
Okay.
Pumpkin and sea moss. Nice. Remember, sir.
Sir, today I see fridge out this one. Why sir come closer to the bathroom?
Remember, say nice and numbers when we get relationship.
I don't like the numbers, this no. This is not nice in numbers right
If
now.
it's smart, we just write it in the script. Numbers come and say nice, consuming something else. Nice, walk one. Come and say, you call numbers babe the other night, you know.
Yeah.
Make Trevor feel away, you know.
Yeah.
So then I come and say, babe, and full of nice things get to food. Tell them from me, huh?
Yeah.
Finally get the part. And this ain't now, you know what the drama now. So when you're ready,
See that?
get your own. Need back everything where you take out of this. Everything where you take out of this and need it back.
You never hear the piece where you give shot in your cars.
No.
That's not my one.
Are your personal assistant, so you have to give it back. As part of the doing taste test yet. Well, they don't juicy have my one. Miss Kenya! Miss Kenya! Tell me, where is Miss Kenya? No, this juicy have mine. I have a bone to pick with Miss Kenya. Cinnamon mashed sweet potato.
Try it. Just try it. You feel the health that what's in your body.
When you're trying to remember a keyword, try it.
Spinach a bigger one, I'm going to go.
You are. Every time one piece of I see your show, that's it.
How are
This is a curry.
Yeah.
Come on.
Watch it.
So now, top
No,
now.
you have to ease up in it. Be wicked.
You read like
Where
Sean.
you say this name? Kivu?
Quinoa.
Quinoa.
You're gonna miss rice.
like something with a field pan. Just like how
Miss Kenya.
Alright, I know.
I have a bone to pick today.
Alright, so.
Oh, some food is more juicy than mine.
Baba? Yeah. Scott, yeah.
Yeah.